This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to Windows. To connect a printer using a wired setup, first ensure your printer is powered on and has paper loaded. Locate the correct USB cable, which typically comes with your printer, and plug one end into the printer's USB port. Then, connect the other end of the cable to an available USB port on your Windows computer. Your operating system should automatically detect the new hardware within a few seconds, initiating the driver installation process. For a wireless printer using Wi-Fi, open your computer settings and go to Bluetooth and devices, then click Printers and Scanners. Select the option to add a device. Make sure your printer is powered on and configured for network use, perhaps by pressing its Wi-Fi button or connecting it to your home network. Windows will then scan for available printers, allowing you to select yours from the list and begin the connection process easily. If your printer uses Bluetooth, first confirm that both your computer and printer have Bluetooth enabled and are within range, typically within 20 feet. Go to Settings on your Windows device, then select Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Add Device and choose the Bluetooth option. Your computer will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your printer appears in the list, click on it to pair. You might need to confirm a pairing code on both devices. After connecting, Windows typically installs necessary drivers automatically. If not, it is essential to visit your printer's manufacturer website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Ensure you select the correct operating system version. If you encounter issues, a simple restart of both your printer and computer can often resolve connectivity problems. Additionally, check your printer's display for any error messages that might guide your troubleshooting efforts effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.